Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Sailrite. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how the HandyPress works with the BG standard dies and the KX dies. There are multiple types of BG and KX dies that do all kinds of different tasks. We're going to show you only one example of one of those dies in this short tutorial video, and that is a die that does snaps. But know that they all work in a similar way.
Before we get started, you need to know that the HandyPress may just be the best hand press ever made. Besides the fact that it takes almost any brand die set made for any brand hand press, it has some major advantages that other hand presses don't even come close to matching. I highly recommend you watch the demo video showing the amazing features of the HandyPress. To see it, click the link in the description or in the upper right hand corner of this video. We will set snaps as an example of the BG and KX dies. Since the 19mm bottom die base doesn't fit in the HandyPress comes with a special adapter for that. Here on the right side of the machine there is a large washer and also a spring. Simply place that on the bottom of the bottom die and then it fits perfectly in that hole of the HandyPress. Secure the die by using the thumb screw. If the upper shaft has the thumb screw, remove it and place it in the keeper on the side of the HandyPress. On that same side of the HandyPress there is an adapter. Unthread that and then thread it onto the lower portion of the shaft. Now, no matter which BG or KX die you're using, you can screw that onto the upper shaft's adapter. These dies are designed to install a snap stud and eyelet. Obviously, dies come in different sizes and shapes. You'll need to adjust the upper shaft so that you get the appropriate amount of compression. I like to call it the sweet spot. The shaft can be turned to raise or lower it. The objective is to have the dies come in contact with the fabric assembly while the lever is horizontal or slightly lower than horizontal. Once that is achieved, raise the handle and increase compression by turning the black collar in the down direction a quarter turn. For this BG die, we install the eyelet on the bottom die and the stud on the top die. Now it's time to insert the fabric assembly and install the snap. We simply press down on the lever. This long lever and the sweet spot that we achieved gives maximum compression, or the right compression in this scenario, so that you can easily set fasteners quickly. Inspect your first fastener. If it requires more compression or less, simply rotate the shaft until you get the optimal position. Now the HandyPress is ready to install fasteners as quickly as you can load the dies and depress the lever. This is just one example of the BG standard or the KX dies working in the HandyPress. The HandyPress will also work with multiple other brands and types of dies. We hope this video has been helpful. Check out our website to find out what other types and brands of dies will work with the HandyPress.